Seniors, 8 banana eating mistakes that could quietly harm your health. Bananas are among the most consumed fruits in the world, praised for their sweet flavor, portability, and nutrient profile. They're rich in potassium, vitamin B6, fiber, and natural sugars, making them a convenient snack. But here's the lesser-known truth. Many people eat bananas in ways that can work against their health, especially as they get older. From silently spiking your blood sugar to reducing nutrient absorption or triggering digestive discomfort. These banana mistakes can accumulate over time, affecting energy levels, weight, and even metabolic health. In this video, you'll discover 8 common banana eating mistakes seniors make, plus simple fixes backed by nutritional science, so you can enjoy all the benefits of bananas without the hidden drawbacks. But before we dive into all that, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. We're here to help you live healthier, feel better, and age vibrantly. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a wellness tip that could change your life. And tell us in the comments, where are you watching from? We love hearing from viewers around the world. Mistake 1. Eating overripe bananas when blood sugar control is a concern. Most people assume bananas are always a safe choice, but ripeness dramatically changes how they affect your blood sugar. As a banana ripens, enzymes break down resistant starches into simple sugars, mainly glucose, fructose, and sucrose. While this makes the fruit sweeter, it also raises its glycemic index, GI, meaning it causes a faster and sharper spike in blood glucose after eating. For someone with type 2 diabetes, prediabetes, or age-related insulin resistance, these sharp spikes can lead to quick bursts of energy followed by fatigue, cravings, and long-term difficulty with glucose regulation. Even in those without diabetes, repeated spikes may promote inflammation, weight gain, and metabolic strain. Overripe bananas, those with many brown spots and a soft, mushy texture, contain significantly less resistant starch and more rapidly absorbed sugars. To keep your energy steady, choose bananas that are just yellow or still slightly green. These contain more resistant starch, which slows digestion, leading to a gentler blood sugar response. Research shows that resistant starch not only improves blood sugar stability, but may also feed beneficial gut bacteria, supporting digestive health. Mistake 2. Ignoring portion control. Bananas are healthy, but not calorie or sugar-free. One medium banana has about 105 calories and 14 grams of sugar. While perfectly fine in moderation, eating 2 or 3 in one sitting can easily match the sugar content of a dessert. For seniors, whose metabolic rate naturally slows with age, excess calories and sugars are more likely to be stored as fat. High banana intake in one sitting can also overwhelm digestion, leading to bloating or discomfort, especially for those with slower gastrointestinal motility. And while potassium supports healthy blood pressure and muscle function, too much potassium at once may strain the kidneys in those with reduced kidney function, a common concern in older adults. Stick to 1 banana per sitting, ideally paired with a source of protein or healthy fat, such as Greek yogurt, nut butter, or a boiled egg, to improve satiety and slow sugar absorption. More active seniors can enjoy slightly larger portions, but balance is key. Mistake 3. Eating bananas on an empty stomach. Many people grab a banana first thing in the morning, thinking it's the perfect, light, and healthy breakfast. But eaten alone, bananas can cause rapid blood sugar spikes followed by quick drops, especially in older adults who may already have less stable glucose control. Bananas also contain high levels of potassium and magnesium. While these minerals are vital for nerve, heart, and muscle health, consuming them in large amounts on an empty stomach can slightly disturb your stomach's acid-base balance, sometimes leading to mild acidity or discomfort in sensitive individuals. Combine your banana with protein or healthy fats, like a handful of almonds, a spoon of peanut butter, or plain Greek yogurt. This slows carbohydrate digestion, supports steadier energy, and avoids the mid-morning slump. Mistake 4. Combining bananas with the wrong foods. Bananas are versatile. They find their way into smoothies, yogurt bowls, baked goods, and desserts. But while they're nutritious on their own, pairing them with the wrong ingredients can quietly create digestive stress and unwanted blood sugar spikes. One common combination is bananas with dairy, such as in banana milkshakes, banana-flavored yogurt, or bananas and cream desserts. While this pairing is popular, it can slow digestion because the high-fat content of dairy delays gastric emptying. For individuals with lactose intolerance, which becomes more common with age, this mix can lead to bloating, gas, and abdominal discomfort. Lactose-sensitive individuals lack sufficient lactase enzyme activity, so undigested lactose ferments in the gut, producing excess gas. Another hidden problem is the sugar-fat synergy. Bananas contain natural sugars that are rapidly absorbed, but when combined with dairy fat, they may lead to a heavier feeling in the stomach and more prolonged post-meal sluggishness, especially for those with slower digestive motility, which naturally declines with age. An even more damaging habit is blending bananas into high-sugar smoothies that also include sweetened yogurt, fruit juice, honey, or flavored syrups. This combination can easily push the total sugar content into dessert territory, causing sharp postprandial, after-meal, blood glucose spikes. In seniors who often have reduced insulin sensitivity, these spikes can accelerate metabolic strain, increase glycation end products, AGEs, that damage blood vessels and worsen fatigue. Pair bananas with nutrient-dense, low-sugar foods that support stable energy release. Think spinach, kale, chia seeds, flax seeds, or a small handful of almonds. The added fiber, protein, and healthy fats will slow gastric emptying, reduce the glycemic load, and help maintain steady blood sugar. Mistake 5. Ignoring ripeness when eating bananas. Banana ripeness doesn't just affect taste. It changes the fruit's chemistry and its effects on your body. Green or slightly unripe bananas are rich in resistant starch, a form of carbohydrate that resists digestion in the small intestine and instead ferments in the large intestine, feeding beneficial gut bacteria. This process produces short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, such as butyrate, which improve gut lining integrity, reduce inflammation, and may even support metabolic health. Because resistant starch has a lower glycemic index, these bananas cause a slower, more controlled rise in blood glucose. Ideal for seniors managing diabetes, prediabetes, or insulin resistance. Fully ripe bananas, with bright yellow skin and brown spots, undergo a conversion where resistant starch breaks down into simple sugars, glucose, fructose, sucrose. This makes them sweeter and faster to digest, delivering a quick burst of energy. They also have higher antioxidant levels, specifically dopamine and catecholamines, which can help fight oxidative stress, a major contributor to aging and chronic disease. However, because of their higher glycemic index, they can trigger rapid blood sugar spikes in those with impaired glucose tolerance. Match the banana's ripeness to your needs. Greenish bananas, best for digestive health, steady energy, and blood sugar control. Ripe bananas, best for pre-exercise fuel or quick energy needs. Mistake 6. Not washing the peel. It's easy to assume bananas are self-cleaning because of their thick peel, but that's a risky assumption. Banana peels can carry pesticide residues, dust, fungal spores, and bacteria picked up during farming, packing, and transportation. Common contaminants include E. coli and salmonella, which can survive on fruit surfaces for days. Even if you don't eat the peel, contaminants can transfer to your hands during peeling and then onto the edible fruit. Seniors, who often have a declining immune response, may be more susceptible to infections from these microbes. Organic bananas aren't immune either. They can carry soil bacteria and debris from harvesting crates. Rinse bananas under running water before peeling. Lightly rub the peel to dislodge dirt and residues, then dry with a clean cloth or paper towel. This small step greatly reduces contamination risk and ensures what you're eating is as clean as possible. Mistake 7. Eating bananas too late at night. Bananas often have a wholesome reputation as a gentle bedtime snack, and there's truth to that. They contain tryptophan, an amino acid that your body converts into serotonin and then melatonin, both of which help promote relaxation and signal your body that it's time to sleep. This is one reason some people feel calmer after having a banana in the evening. But here's the catch. Bananas are also naturally high in fructose, glucose, and sucrose, along with about 27 grams of carbohydrates in a medium fruit. If eaten too close to bedtime, especially within an hour of lying down, these sugars can spike blood glucose before it gradually drops, potentially disrupting sleep cycles. Research in the Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine shows that late evening carbohydrate intake can alter REM sleep patterns and make it harder for the brain to enter deeper, restorative stages of rest. For older adults, this is even more relevant because digestion naturally slows with age, and during sleep, gastric emptying is at its lowest. This means that food can sit in the stomach longer, increasing the risk of acid reflux, heaviness, or even mild nausea. If you enjoy bananas in the evening, the key is timing, portion control, and food pairing. Try limiting yourself to half a banana and combine it with a small serving of protein or healthy fat, like a tablespoon of Greek yogurt, a few almonds, or a spoonful of nut butter. This slows the release of sugar into your bloodstream, supports steady energy, and reduces the chance of nighttime digestive discomfort. Mistake 8. Relying on bananas as your only potassium source. Bananas are often advertised as the ultimate potassium food. After all, a single medium banana provides about 422 milligrams of potassium, around 9% of your daily needs. Potassium is essential for nerve conduction, muscle contraction, and maintaining a healthy heartbeat. It also plays a key role in controlling blood pressure by counteracting sodium's effects. However, many people don't realize that bananas aren't the highest potassium source available. Foods like spinach, 839 milligrams per cup, sweet potatoes, 542 milligrams per medium potato, white beans, 829 milligrams per cup, and avocados, 708 milligrams per fruit, often provide equal or greater amounts, and they also deliver additional nutrients that bananas can't match, like magnesium, beta-carotene, and healthy fats. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition stresses the importance of dietary diversity for older adults, not just to meet potassium needs, but to ensure a full spectrum of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytochemicals for optimal health. Over-relying on one food, no matter how healthy, can leave nutritional gaps. The best approach is to think of bananas as one tool in your potassium toolbox. Rotate them with other potassium-rich foods throughout the week, and even combine them for nutrient synergy. For example, blending banana slices with spinach, avocado, and unsweetened yogurt creates a balanced smoothie that offers potassium, magnesium, vitamin C, healthy fats, and protein, all working together to support muscle function, heart health, and stable blood sugar. Seniors, the healthiest way to eat bananas. Pair wisely. Combine bananas with protein or fiber, nuts, seeds, Greek yogurt, oats, to slow sugar absorption and avoid blood sugar spikes. Watch ripeness. Greener bananas contain more resistant starch, which supports gut health and has a gentler effect on glucose levels. Fully ripe bananas are higher in sugar and better for quick energy before activity. Practice food safety. Always wash the peel before handling to avoid transferring pesticides or bacteria to the fruit. By being intentional about when, how, and with what you eat bananas, you can enjoy their flavor and benefits without compromising digestion, sleep quality, or nutrient balance. Now it's your turn. Have you been making either of these banana mistakes without realizing it? Which banana tip will you try first? Changing the time you eat it, or mixing it with another food? If you found this guide helpful, like this video, share it with someone who could benefit, and subscribe for more science-backed health tips designed especially for seniors. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.